luggage on you, bro.
Okay, we're just adjusting the silence. If any other crowd members need extra time, can you throw up your flag for me?
An odd thing to say when everyone else is here,
All right, you're just going to dance this round, whatever dancing means to you, whatever it is, to move your body in a way that feels satisfying while people are watching. Are you dancing like nobody's watching? No, you're not. They are watching. All right.
Oh, hit the music.
My positive affirmation for you all tonight. People are watching. Okay, they're ready? Everyone, are you ready? Are you ready? We are. This is getting smaller and